Okay, I've got to share something with you. I got this package today from YouTube because of you, and I suspect I know what it is, but let's have a quick look and open it up. The big reveal. Oh, there's a letter here. And do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th, your 1000th? And then it goes on to talk about that I now have over 100,000 subscribers and I've been awarded the Silver Creator Award. And there it is. Oh my God. It's got my name on it and the amount of subscribers. It's amazing. I can't believe I've got this. I really can't. I don't know what to say. I really am overwhelmed. I remember when I first started this channel back in 2012, and I wasn't really putting much content on there. It was more that I thought I had something to say and then I'd just say it through the channel, but I didn't really concentrate on it much. And it's only through recent years that I've put more content on. And back then I never even dreamed that I would have this. I really didn't. I did see people achieving these, and I just thought it was so far ahead and so far in the future that it just wasn't, I just never even thought of it. I just tried to forget about it, but I've actually got it here now, and I honestly can't believe it. Now, I'm so grateful YouTube send these out, but YouTube would not even entertain sending this out to me if it wasn't because of you. It's you that has sent me this. If I didn't have the subscribers, if you didn't subscribe to me and add to the subscriber count that I have, there is no way YouTube would even consider or entertain giving me this. So I want to thank you so much for giving me this award. It means such a lot. Thank you.